Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to configure VestaCP, which is open cPanel on Ubuntu 18 version, right? About Vista, it's a simple open source cPanel alternate. So you can host your websites freely on that uh, particular server, right? So I have a machine, right? The version of this Ubuntu server is 18 because Vista is support 18 version. You can see that if I go to that site, right, Vista sites of official Vista site, in the installation section, you can see that the Vista server is support latest version of 18. I know it's not the latest version, but Vista support 18, at least Ubuntu 18 version, right? It will not support Ubuntu 20 or latest version of Ubuntu, right? And the it also supported maximum support CentOS 7, right? So right now I am working on Ubuntu 18, right? So that's why I have installed the Ubuntu 18 version on on my virtual machine, right? So this is our virtual machine, right? So my before doing that, you have to configure the live IP on that particular server, right? So I have a live IP address and I have a domain, right? So not purchase domain. I have a free domain available. So first you need to go to the site. Name is my.noip.com, right? You have to sign up in this site and go to the dynamic DNS section, and here you need to let me show you, right? Here it will ask you want to configure a dynamic uh, host name, right? So I have a live IP address, okay, and I have entered two IP addresses, right? I have one for my Vista CP and one for my Joomla website, right? You can host WordPress on it, Joomla website on it, whatever you want, right? So I will go with the Joomla, right? And then first we will install the Vista, and then we will configure the Joomla or WordPress, whatever we want, right? So uh, now we will it this domain is also resolvable. You need to you need to you need a live IP address and host name for against that live IP address, right? So you can see that this cp1.dns, right? So it is resolvable. You can go to the MX toolbox, right? Here you can enter Vista cp1.dns.net. So it's resolving the domain. So we will sure that the domain is resolving against our live IP address. So it's resolving my live IP address. Then now let's go to the installation part, right? First you need to change the host name. Host name cpl set host name Vista cp Vista cp1.dns. So now my host name is this one, right? And now we will go to the Vista CP site and download the script, right? You need to copy this script, right? Close this, right? And first you need to install the curl. Apt install curl will curl. This package will help us to download the script on the official site, right? And now paste it. It will download the script, right? The Vista dash install.sh. Now I have the script, right? Now we need to execute it. Vista, and that's it. It will ask me some questions. My email address. You need to give the email address. Which port do you want to listen for Vista CP panel, Vista admin panel? I will. You can change the port number, but I will because this is a demo lab, so I will go with the default. Yeah, you can change the default port after the installation, right? You can change it whatever you want. So it will ask me the Vista CP1.dns. Is it your fully qualified domain name? Yes, this is my fully qualified domain name. It will ask me that it will take around 15 minutes to complete the whole setup, right? So now it will install. It will now it's the installation is started. It will take some time. It will take some time, around 10 minutes, right? Depending upon your internet and the server speed, right? Server hardware speed. Okay, now it's installed. The installation is successfully. The Vista C panel is installed successfully. You need to copy the credential of that access panel, right? You need to copy it and paste into the somewhere else. So I pasted it. Now log in into the browser and check that it's installed properly or not. So as you can see that the Vista panel is installed successfully. I'm very sorry that the screen is not fully maximized. Right. So this is our Vista C panel, right? You can create website here. Already I have a Vista C panel site created, right? You can see the multiple website here, right? You can create DNS, you can create mail, you can create database for it, and also the PHP my admin is also here. Yeah. So you can manage the your database by PHP my admin. So the panel is configured successfully, right? So you can also create a firewall rule here, right? You can also change the port, a firewall listening port here, right? So, so that's all. Thank you for watching.